Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Friday until Monday, March 5 to 8, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. And let's begin with our update. We are heading now into a nice weekend. And for the first time since January, there are no major weather systems expected to affect the Philippines within the next 24 hours. And although we have the usual northeasterly surface wind flow, but this is not strong enough to generate rainfall or thunderstorms across the country. Still, the northeast surface wind flow or the northeasterly trades will continue to affect the areas of Bicol region, Visayas, and northeastern plus eastern Mindanao, and also some variable winds across much major parts of Luzon. There are also no developing LPAs or tropical cyclone in sight across the western Pacific up to the international dateline. We just have here a weak intertropical convergence zone and a surface trough close to the equator, and up to the subtropics over southern China, Taiwan. We have here foggy conditions with a developing frontal system over southern China and a high pressure cell with enriched with fog as well, moving towards the Yellow Sea into the western sections of Japan as another subtropical low pressure area moves over to the sea south of Honshu in Japan. And another quasi-stationary subtropical low here connected with a frontal system is located over to the east of Japan. So far, that's the latest. Let's move now towards our fast animation. It's all clear across the Philippine Islands, and as we look at our zoom-in satellite animation, you can clearly see here some low-level cloudiness from the northeast or east affecting various parts of the country, but no major system like strong thunderstorms will be expected across the country through the weekend. And as we look at our 3-day rainfall accumulation beginning today, Friday until Sunday, some possible isolated showers will be expected across the eastern sections of Luzon and some areas of western Luzon, also over the eastern portions of the Bicol region, Visayas, and also in some areas of northern and eastern Mindanao. So far, it's quite dry with some isolated showers of thunderstorms that could develop, especially in the afternoon, and also over the area of Palawan. And as we look at our 3-day wind forecast from the American model, for tomorrow afternoon, prevailing northeasterly trade winds will continue to prevail across Bicol and the Visayas, including Mimaropa and northern eastern Mindanao, and southeasterly trade winds across Batanes and Babuyan Islands, variable winds over Luzon, northeasterly to easterly trade winds affecting areas of Calabarzon, including Metro Manila, and same weather conditions will continue on Sunday until Monday. So there's no changes in the weather so far. That is good news to all of us after months of or weeks of rainfall that fell over the Philippine Islands, brought about by the northeast monsoon, the tail end of the frontal systems, and as well as low pressure areas, and the first cyclone of the year, tropical depression occurring. So far, let's hope that for the next few weeks, no tropical cyclone development will occur. So far, that's the latest from our Typhoon 2000, and we'll be returning again on Monday to give you more update on the weather. So this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. Happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.